Hello everyone, it is Kelsey, and today I'm going to show you how to solve an absolute value equation. These type of equations involve the absolute value of a variable expression, and we will have two different solutions from this equation. We'll be left with two different possible answers for x. Our problem that we are going to be solving is 2 absolute value 4x minus 6 plus 8 equals 24. And the first step, we want to subtract 8 from both sides to get rid of it from the left side of the equation. Once we are done doing that, we'll be left with 2 absolute value of 4x minus 6 equals 16. Now we want to get rid of the 2 on the left-hand side, so we want to divide it out. So we're going to divide 2 from both sides of the equation. And then we will be left with two different equations. You want to set this up as one positive equation and one negative. So as you'll see, since I divided 2 from 16, we now have equals 8 on both sides in the right hand of the equation. We're going to solve the left equation first, and we don't need the absolute value signs anymore, so we can rewrite it as just 4x minus 6 equals 8. And then we just need to get x all by itself, so we're going to add 6 to both sides. So we'll be left with 4x equals 14. And then we want to get x all by itself, so we're going to divide 4 from both sides. And then from there, we'll have x equals 3.5 as one of our possible solutions for x. The second equation is our negative equation, so we had to put a negative on the outside of the absolute value brackets. But the rule is we need to distribute that negative in. So we're going to make the 4x a negative 4x, but the negative on the outside turns the subtraction sign of the inside to a positive, so it turns it to plus 6 instead of minus 6. So we're left with negative 4x plus 6 equals 8. And then again, we're going to solve for x, so we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. We are left with negative 4x equals 2. And then we want to get x all by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by negative 4. And then we are left with x equals negative 1/2. So if we are going to write this as our final answer, we could write x equals 3.5 or x equals negative 1/2. Thank you.